To add or attach GIF images to your text message on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, let's return back to your home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, open up the text messages app. Next, you can either compose a new text message or you can resume with your previous text conversation. In here, once you open it up, go to the text field. Right next to the text field, there is a plus button, so tap on the add button. And from here, tap on GIFs. In here, you can scroll down and select an image from the suggestions, or you can search for a particular GIF. So here, I can say cat's meme, so cat meme. And here it is, so just scroll down and select the one that you would like to use. So here, let's say I'm going to insert these pictures, so I can tap on it, and then I'll tap on another one, cat fight, and that's it. Now if you tap on the back key, this will close this window, and then tap on the back key again, and here it is. Now we go to the text message. So we have attached two animated GIF to the text message. Here we can add in the text. And then tap on send, and that's it. So here you can see the animated GIFs has been added and inserted to your text message. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And that is how you can add or insert or attach an animated GIFs images to your text message on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra.